You're not a cat. Okay, eat your food, eat your cereal. Oh my gosh. Anyway, Pauletta picked out her outfit today and she looks very fall-esque.
I want baby suit.
Yeah, we're gonna change it to your bathing suit after this. Come on. Doesn't you look very like fall? Okay. This is what I woke up looking like and I'm about to go change and get ready. Pauletta, which bikini are you gonna wear? Which bikini, look. Which bikini set are you gonna use?
That one?
Which one?
That one, she.
This one? She.
I'll be there.
Here at my favorite beach. For the first time, we're actually using our little cooler watermelon bag. So cute. The kids are over there like a sand castle.
You're a princess. Mommy's the queen. Daddy is the king.
Oh yeah, they
I
are.
wear the pants in the house.
She's like, I'm the king.
I run things.
I'm the princess.
Yes, Princess Haulele.
Her friend name is Lavena, right?
Yeah.
Princess Haulele of
Are they gonna jump off for real?
I have no idea.
the Big Isle.
Bulana! Are you guys gonna jump off? You're gonna jump off? I know, I should probably say like, oh, I can borrow the bar. It says it's her boy.
Hi, Tita. Ew. Are you power or something? Whoa. Oh my god. Oh, you better not break anything. Oh my god. Oh, she is. Aloha Mai Kākou. I don't think wait, my hair is crazy. My hair is crazy. Okay, I'm going. So Aloha Mai Kākou, today oh wait, this is crazy. Okay, better. Aloha Mai Kākou, today it is Po'alua, which is Tuesday, and it is Iulai Umi, I believe. It's July 10th. We are now officially leaving my favorite beach ever. Praise, I loved it so much. We hung out with one of my best friends, Tiana. And yeah, so how did you guys like the beach? Paula, you look crazy. We had so much fun, and now we came around like close to 12 o'clock. It was like 11 something when we first came, and now it's 4:57. I'm about to get something to eat because I'm starving, but I'm also craving something like sweet. I don't know. Okay, so we we just got back home, and on our way home after the beach we stopped and got something to eat because we were starving. We stopped in Waikele and they have these food trucks in the parking lot, and they have Laverne's Hawaiian food, they have Leonard's malasadas, they have the shave ice place, they have Taste Tea, which is like bubble drinks, and they're super good, super cheap. They're only like $3, and I ordered like extra toppings and it was still like 3 something. Super good, super cheap. And then bless you, and then there was like Dick's Lechon. Yeah, there's like a Filipino food truck. We got adobo and lechon from there. Honestly, they weren't the best, or they were okay, but we're craving like pork adobo fried rice because we're so used to the Julie's one, or the like Thelma's or Elena's, that kind of one. So those are the best places to go if you want adobo fried rice. So I suggest not going to Dick's Lechon. I'm sorry, but I did not like it at all. I mean, if I had to eat it, I was eating it, and I was eating it, but I didn't eat it all because it wasn't the way I remember it. My hair is pretty like curly from the ocean. I love it when it gets like beach waves.
There's a circle one and then
On the bikini I was using, I will put pictures up. But if you don't follow me on Instagram, it's NO_HEA. Nohea. Okay.
right here, it's like white, look it.
I know, we said that the last time though, and she ended up not being.
Come and look closer.
Okay, so I have just made the moving announcement. I know, I told you guys I'm really behind on these vlogs, but to my defense, I was working, and it's like working 3 jobs because I was working TJ Maxx, and I do my own macaron business, and then editing does take a lot of time. I'm hoping I could actually make this into more of a career. I would love to do this and make videos because I feel like it's so fun. So those are like 3 jobs, and then I have to take care of my kids and my family and the house, and yeah, I don't know why I'm saying this all. But anyway, did you have fun today at the beach? Yeah, we had so much fun, and she had like made plans with her classmate from Hilo to come and see us at the beach or play with each other at the beach. So we had a lot of fun. It's about 11:33. I'm uploading vlogs, I'm uploading videos, so I'm trying to pump them all out while I can because I'm on vacay mode, but this is just giving me a lot of time to edit. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to put that subscribe button. We're gonna go to sleep, and yeah, I gotta go bathe and all that stuff, so ohui ho.
Kaulana nā pua o Hawaiʻi Upa a mā o te o ka aina